Hey everybody, just giving a quick walkthrough of Hobby Lobby and what all they have to offer for patriotic decor, America 250 decor, 4th of July decor, for your home, for your office, for your summer classrooms, maybe even for your Sunday school class or CCD class. So just went through a quick walkthrough of our local Hobby Lobby in Pennsylvania, and they had a lot of picks, a lot of yard ornaments. You can see here, those are great for floral arrangements too, if you're doing a little bit larger arrangement. And you can always cut the metal pole off shorter with some pretty hefty clippers, I might add. Also, the garlands and tinsel items like the USA and the 250 you saw are great for adding to wreaths, adding to railings, adding to your mailbox. Just be careful putting those tinsel garlands outside. They do tend to bleed. These cute little pennants are adorable to add to any wreath or any floral arrangement. You can even tuck one in your mailbox flag if you're permitted. They had lots of picks to add to wreaths. I was a little underwhelmed by the floral department, so I didn't film that section, but you can see lots of vase filler here, table scatter, bowl filler, Longaberger basket filler. Even if you have like some small cross-stitch pieces, you could add some of these cute little stars and glitter items into it. They had some outdoor swags and banners. Here they didn't really have large flags there, but they did have the small ones on the poles. These cute little lights that you can add to a glass block or a lantern. They work great. They are battery operated, and they had larger strands of lights as well for outdoors or for your tree if you decorated a tree like we did. And these are just the smaller flags that are great to take to parades and fireworks functions. I love the little rosettes that you can hang on your door or your window. They're really pretty. And again, there's that tinsel garland. These little squares, the design was embroidered in this one. I thought it was really cute. It was also embroidered in this one. Super cute. And just some signs hanging there you can add to the front of wreaths. We have those stars on the front railing from previous year where they're more of an open scroll. I love the beads. I'm really glad that they still have the beads because they add a nice touch to your two-tiered tray on your counter, to a lantern, to a basket handle. I like these metal designs here that you can pop into your cute little garden bed. And that one's just a little bit larger for your yard. And on this side was the tableware. So I loved these clear cups. They were really cute. And I love those picks and the crocheted pot holders. Super cute. I thought they were a great bargain, even not on sale. Some banners and table runners there. I'm sorry, those were all table runners. And then the USA cutout for the cutting board. Thought that was really cute. Some can koozies. Again, the star bowls. And I really liked the vinyl tablecloths for your outdoor tables. That was a really cool take-along foil pan. Came with a lid. These were chargers, basically, like placemats. I would use them as a charger. They're super cute. Lots of mugs to pick from. I like the plastic chargers the best. They had great designs. Even if you're using paper plates or melamine plates, you can still put a charger underneath just to zhuzh up your tabletop, your tablescape. I love that ceramic bowl. Super cute. And then there were some dish towels and dishcloths. I like to hang the dish towels for decoration too on some of my handles. I'll have to put some pictures on of how we make the bow for our drawer handles. That's a fabric tablecloth I thought was really pretty. And then some crafting items like the stars and the wood stars, some painting kits, some necklaces, beach balls, outdoor, the ball pop game where you click the button. That was really cute. Nana used to buy that for the kids every summer. It's really cute. Actually, every Easter, I believe that is when they got it in their Easter basket. They had some nice wired ribbon. I was not enamored with any store's wired ribbon for Patriotic. And some sunglasses for your parades. You can blow bubbles at the parades. These were some really quick iron-ons for your t-shirts. Just follow the instructions. Some cute, fun tattoos for the kids or adults. And then the glow sticks, of course, for your nighttime fireworks. And I had to film the ducks for all of you Jeep lovers. Look how cute they are. I have to admit, we do have a duck in our Honda Odyssey. She's a watermelon. So cute. That looked like a fun game. And then the sack race I thought was so cute. I just loved all the glow sticks. I thought they were great. Here's some pre-made wreaths and garlands. I thought they were pretty. Those wreaths were burlap. These are just some home decor items. Some rocks for outside, some wood signs for your windows or table. They had a lot of wood products to pick from. Just like everybody, I'm waiting patiently for everything to go on sale. I'm wondering if they're going to pull a 30% off first or if they're going to go to the 40% off right away. I'm curious to see what they do. Kind of hoping they start something next week. I really like that 1776 block. I thought it was pretty cool that it had the other flag on it. The first flag. I should say one of the first flags. Those are just cute little items to decorate your table with. We have that little red and white truck, red, white, and blue truck. Those were metal lanterns. We got our lanterns from Michael's. I really liked the fake ball jars. I thought they were cute. They're ceramic. You can use some of those floral picks and sparkly picks to put in those jars. Or you could use it for your silverware on your tablescape. These were some iron-on patches or sew-on patches, and then some stickers for scrapbooking and stuff. I thought they were cute. I love the acrylic stars. Acrylic flags, sorry. And those acrylic stars. Okay, I really loved the rhinestone hat. Not gonna lie. It was really cute. And they had a whole bunch of other hats to pick from as well, with the trucker style, the baseball style, and the cowboy style. Thanks so much for joining us on our walk through the patriotic decor at Hobby Lobby. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video for more content.